Hello guys, I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe this video, and today we are going to make slime. The ingredients you'll be needing is actually 2 ingredients, actually 3. So, Elmer's glue, this one ingredient, this one, a stick or a spoon to stir your slime up, and borax, and finally water, warm water. Wait. Okay, so I'm going to clean my bowl out right now. It's really dirty. Scrub. Okay, I threw all the stuff those out, but there's still some on it. It got stained. It's fine. Now let's get moving on to the video. So, the first thing that you'll be needing is Elmer's glue. I'm gonna do the whole thing. It's so cool. Really, I don't use a measuring cup because that's just a waste of time, man. I don't need to measure mine. I'm good. I'm just gonna wait until all of it's out. There's a lot pouring still. It's almost out, all of it. Okay, it's all out. Well, a little still in there, but you got almost all of it out. So we're gonna pour some of the borax in the water. I'm gonna use this cap. I don't have like anything to put it in the water, so I'm going to use the cap. So at least have the whole cap filled. That's like this Elmer's glue cap. And then pour it in your water. It looks really cool. After you pour that, put it back on the glue. This video is for beginners on slime, or I guess any kind of person. Next, stir the water so it doesn't get all crunchy. Good. Next, stir your glue a little bit so it just like gets a little bit more thicker. Next, pour some borax. next, stir. Stir until you can see it going up like that a little. For beginners, do not touch yet, because this is not ready. So it looks like it's working a little. Oh god. Wait. I have never did. Well, yeah, I have. Actually, I have. Wait, no, I haven't. I have never did slime in my mom's room before. I usually did it downstairs or in my room. Most recently in my room. A little bit more of this borax. Wait, let's stir it. There. Feels good. It's still gluey. Yeah, just work. Maybe I need more borax. Okay. Let's get that off again. Ew. Okay, once you stirred it in your cup. Actually, it's easier to use a water bottle, so you can just shake it and you don't have to stir it. I just use a cup right now because I needed to and I wanted to. Okay, it's forming. It's really good. It's really good slime. It is not sticky. I'm just going to stir it a little more to get all of it off of the thing, of the bowl. That's the thing. Ooh, it's cool. Come on! It's not. It's just the glue's on me still. See? See? Look at this. Look at my ring finger. Or my pinky. Oh, it's still sticky. We're gonna need a little bit more of the borax. And then you stir again. I'm gonna actually take you guys up there. It's easier. Hello guys, I'm still here. I just moved. My legs were getting like, I don't know how to explain it, just like tired or something. So it's a little bit more bright up here. I like it up here. Oh. Ugh. Oh, still gluey. It's like there's glue in it still too much. But I don't want to put any more borax because it would be hard. Maybe if I just keep on stirring, it'll work. Okay, I'm just gonna start playing with it. Remember I said this slime was for beginners, so here's the slime. It's really good, but beginners, listen. If you followed all these instructions, you will get this kind of slime. Well, there's black stuff in mine because my bowl was stained. Yours will be like clear white. Not clear, but like white, you know? So, there's still glue in here. I'm going to try to get some of it off to make it a little bit more stretchier. You in my life, and you in my love. Oh, it's so clicky. So clicky. And stretchy. Comment down below if you subscribe. Comment down below, I subscribe. And then say #Sierra Squad. If I see too much Sierra Squads on yours, you're going to be the subscriber of the week. But you have to be in a notification squad too. So you put notification squad and then Sierra Squad. So like the Sierra Squad is the subscriber squad. If you just put that means you're a subscriber only. If you have the notifications on, you actually be the subscriber of the week usually. So I'm going to pick my subscriber of the week when you guys subscribe me, because I don't have that much subscribers right now. I'm going to show you the slime right now. Oh, it's so soft. I love it. Okay, I'm going to show you it. It's not sticky.